Are you looking for some short romantic Chinese dramas that you can finish in one sitting? These solid and enjoyable Chinese dramas are perfect for anyone who wants to take a break from some heavy long-term commitment series. Check out these 10 awesome, diverse and short Chinese dramas that you can watch in a single day. Number 1. My Little Princess. Lin Qingchen is an heiress of a wealthy family but faces pressure to marry well because of her illegitimate status. Her target? The suave and wealthy Zheng Chuaoyao, a fellow student at the elite art school known as Four Leaf College. But due to a number of misunderstandings, Xin Chen at first mistakes the brooding Jian Nian Yu as Chu Yao and tries to get his attention. But when Qingshen realizes she has the wrong man, she keeps running to Nian Yu and then learns that Nian Yu is the only person who can teach her to tango to be able to get into Chu Yao's good graces. But Qingshen is annoyed when Chu Yao only seems interested in a poor student, Yu Yang Yang, who was admitted to the prestigious school because her father saved the principal's life. Can Nian Yu teach Xin Chen to tango right into Chu Yao's heart, or will she discover that her destiny is with someone else? This drama is adorable. The whole story is sparkly, cute, bubbly, and it's like a fairy tale. Definitely give this drama a shot if you're interested in a semi-cheesy high school drama with a whole lot of chemistry that are light-hearted and all around a pleasure to watch. Number 2. Well-Intended Love Season 2. The characters from Season 1 meet again in an alternate universe. Each season is its own entity. They can be watched alone or either order. In this story, a crisis of public opinion pushes the two together. Whether it's an encounter of deja vu or a plot by others, the two happy enemies are still sweet even in a situation full of accidents. Well-Intended Love season aren't connected and Season 2 follows the basic storyline, but they still have their own differences. This series is more on a comedy side, same characters with few changes to the storyline, but with the same happy ending. Number 3. I Cannot Hug You. The plot revolves around an inexplicable pull between two people and the romance that ensues between them. The female protagonist is the modern-day vampire who is apathetic towards everything in life until the main protagonist turns out to be her next-door neighbor. Her world changes as she feels the desperate need to get close to him. Will she finally be able to hug him? This story is not your typical vampire horror tale. This story is fun to watch and it is simple and light-hearted. I would recommend this drama for a short and a simple watch as there are only 16 episodes at around 30 minutes each. Number 4. Memory Lost. Brilliant police officer Han Chen searches tirelessly for his lost fiancée despite his amnesia and despite everyone else insisting that this woman does not exist. His search leads him to Bai Jingqi, a sunny girl working as a police detective and whose mysterious past is as full of secrets as Han Chen's own. Number 5. My Dear Lady. After getting a divorce from her husband, Lin Chunchun decides to celebrate her singlehood. However, on her way to her party, her car collided with a luxurious car on the roadside. The owner of the car, Cheng Li, a young man who appears to be a university graduate, asked her for a huge amount of compensation. What makes the situation worse is that he also turns out to be the boss of a new company. This was a sweet, realistic, and a unique series. What I enjoyed most about this series is that it was not cliché in any sense. The relationship that was developed was realistic and genuine. If you want a light drama, here it is. Number 6. The Night of the Comet. A sweet love story begins when a high and mighty celebrity arrives in a parallel universe after getting into a car accident. He meets a female reporter and his bubbly alter ego who works in this world as an author. Number 7. Proud of Love. Shen Si is a peppy college student who is majoring in dance and loves to eat just a little too much. She has a boyfriend named Lin Yu Tang who is very caring and sweet. He Zhou is an aloof, mood engineering major at a nearby university. One day, Shenxi and He Zhou suddenly swap souls in front of a mysterious mirror. Zhou finds himself in the body of Shenxi and Shenxi finds herself inside the body of Zhou. What will become of this soul-swapping duo? And what will happen with the relationship between Senshi and Lin Yu Tang? Number 8. Best Lover. The background is set in modern-day Korean entertainment industry. The story is about two top stars entering into a fake marriage with their own secret agendas. And through their efforts to defend their fake marriage in public, they learn about each other's pains and weaknesses and eventually end up together. Number 9. My Girlfriend's Boyfriend. A nerd named Azai lives in China and travels to Japan to follow the girl he likes. Once there, he ends up ordering a male LUV robo named Adam who is programmed to love him. Not able to get a refund, he ends up obtaining an older model female robo named Eve, but modeled after his crush. LUV robots are programmed to love the first person they see once unboxed. When Eve arrives, she accidentally ends up seeing Adam first and is programmed to love him instead of Azai. Now, he must try to live a normal life while being in a love triangle with two robos. Number 10. Lovely Us. A coming-of-age story of a group of youths who grew up together. The story takes place in 2007. 5 children from Shude Faculty and Staff Family Hospital entered high school together, welcoming their youth teenage years of their life. They are best friends and are always there for each other. They form their own clique named Number 1992 and embark on a journey filled with dreams, growth, warmth and romance. Are there any other short and sweet Chinese dramas you recommend? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.